Hi, my name's Damien Leach. I'm the CTO for Workday, serving the region based out of Singapore. I hope one day I'm able to meet in person in Korea. Until then, it's nice to meet you all virtually. First of all, thanks for allowing me to present to you today. During my presentation, we will cover how Workday in 2005 built a cloud-native ecosystem for people and finance from the ground up, and how we continue to develop our ecosystem to serve our customers and community. My hope is today that we influence change in your large enterprise, not to become Workday customers, although that would be really nice, but how cloud should be a key pillar of your organization's IT strategy and business strategy. I also hope that we can encourage you to choose or build applications that are able to scale and are agile enough to suit today's changing world. So let's begin. The three topics I will cover today are, number one, agility and how it starts with a true cloud experience. Number two, how Workday are different by design and how the choices we made early made a big difference. I'll also cover agile in innovation and where we review some of the ways that we've made a difference to our customers. I think it's fair to say the only constant this past year is change. The pandemic has pushed the limits of business. By leveraging technology, business can adapt to the changes. Organizations have had to be agile and be able to pivot quickly. This not only means developing an agile culture, but also having IT systems that support continuous collaboration and rapid process change while keeping security intact. Responding rapidly across an organization requires great decision-making and decisions that run on insights. IT organizations need also to be able to unlock data safely and increase the value of human decision-making. I thought I would start by sharing some of the top challenges we, the CTO team at Workday, are seeing as we talk with other CIOs globally. We're seeing trends and the need to develop business running and secure operationally. We're seeing rapid response times to demand increase. We're also seeing the ability to overlay innovations with speed. We're also seeing the continuous integration and evolution of software applications as a must. The need to create a positive employee experience, mainly to retain talent in this changing time. And we're also seeing the need to share data safely and securely. And these topics really underpin the data I'll share today and support our design thinking. I hope you find it insightful. Being agile is more than just being in the cloud. Today, I wanted to share the architectural journey that Workday have taken, and I also wanted to cover some of our technology principles that we built to support rapid response to agility. Here's a great testimonial from Nissan. We take the advantage of the latest technology and flexibility provided by cloud computing. I think that's true today for any large enterprise. Let's dive into what it means to be agile system in the cloud. And I like to describe this as attributes of true cloud. I also thought it would be fun to reference some of my favorite Korean films along the way. I hope you recognize them. To stay alive, large enterprise must embrace the cloud. When we started in 2005, we had the opportunity to start afresh and build from the ground up. The value of true cloud model was a clear advantage over traditional legacy on-premise systems. And there were 4 key considerations when we designed Workday. It needed to be designed with resilience and scalability in mind, and be backed up by clear SLAs for our customers. It needed to provide built-in world-class security. It needed the system to be configurable with guardrails to ensure regular delivered updates deliver value and not problems. It also needed to provide an update process that allowed for continuous delivery of innovation and product. We feel we've achieved that. However, in 2005, the state of enterprise architecture was a classic 3-tier model: client, server, and database. This legacy architecture was not built for change. Everything was hardwired and chained together, making it impossible to move fast. Workday, being a pure play native SaaS vendor, decided to take a radically different approach. We collapsed the data and logic of the application into a single layer. Workday is built on an in-memory object data model. And this allows us to be fully technology agnostic. And this also provides us enormous flexibility to introduce new, better technology into our stack. It allowed us to address the needs of our customers for scale, performance, security, and end user experience. But back then, 16 years ago, we couldn't develop all of this innovation in the public cloud. The public cloud providers were simply not ready for enterprise applications. To build out the vision we had for Workday, it required us to develop purpose-built data centers. And as a result, we developed our own cloud. We started by moving development and test workloads into the public cloud. This offered us some cost efficiencies. However, we quickly recognized the importance for us to develop our own expertise in public cloud technology. And Workday was founded on a key philosophy. We wanted to create a system of trust for an enterprise's most critical resources, and that is people and finance. How? Through architecting a single source of truth with our customers on the same version of Workday in the cloud, a configurable security network, and a commitment to privacy by design throughout the data lifecycle. So let's talk a little bit more about security and the story of us in the cloud. Along with our unified configurable security model, which governs all execution and data access, we adhere to the highest standards for data security and audit. Workday are the only vendor in its class to hit all 5 data principles. We encrypt our customer data at rest and in transit. And we're also the only vendor in class that audits every transaction, including viewing. And I worked in banking for 10 years prior to joining Workday. Auditability was a continued challenge for me and an ongoing cost to the organization. I was incredibly pleased to see Workday have built always-on audit at the core, because I know how valuable this is. So let's talk a little bit about the security story. As discussed, we've decided early to make a commitment at the beginning to keep all our customers globally on a single version of Workday. We wanted to deliver new innovations and application features into our customers so that no one would be left behind. To do this, we had to build a continuous development and delivery model based on DevOps practices. Updates and fixes are delivered weekly with minimal downtime across all our tenants. Major releases are delivered twice per year. Importantly, customers are allowed to adopt features, or what we call toggles, at their own pace. We've also built the architecture where Workday applications are built based on business processes and not constructed using traditional relational database models. Think of the code that's configured as modules from a business process and function, such as request for time off or create payroll. This means that the software runs incredibly fast, as a traditional database is not being queried every single time. The architecture we built enables agility. The same business processes I mentioned in the last slide are built on the object data model. We can extend and change the configuration in real time. No need to recode SQL or any customized development, which takes time. And as a result, we've seen our customers change business processes literally in minutes, or as internal needs change. So what are the advantages of a system designed for agility? I would also ask, when was the last time one of your IT projects went to plan? So Workday is designed so that business teams can also make changes without requiring the lengthy IT projects of the past, while the governance and security stays intact. Secondly, because of our agility, it makes it easy to extend Workday experience to include custom integrated solutions unique to your enterprise. And finally, due to our metadata architecture, customers can take advantage of new technology rapidly without operational disruption. So why does the approach we take matter? Again, there are three key benefits. We create an intelligent business core and data graph that is structured in a way that molds to our customers' business. We can then take some of the data structure and apply a wholly different model that solves for different problems for our customers. We have a solid, reusable core in place for people, finance, planning, and machine learning, so we can meet many, many more customer use cases at an accelerated pace. We haven't stopped there. With any agile enterprise solution, it's critical to evolve. And since 2005, Workday has continued to deliver innovation with new products driven by customer needs. We try to stay ahead of trends in the market and compliance drivers to ensure that your business is thriving in a changing world. And we're continuing to invest in our platform to help our customers make smarter financial and workforce decisions. We've invested in analytics, automation capabilities such as machine learning and data visualization to help with this journey. So let's talk about some of our acquisitions and what they mean to you. In 2008, Workday acquired Cape Clear, who became Workday's integration as a service backbone. In 2016, Workday acquired Plethora. This evolved to become our powerful Prism analytics platform, which we'll cover later on. In 2019, Workday acquired Scout to provide complete procurement and sourcing solution demanded by our customers. And in 2021, Workday acquired Peakon for continuous listening to help our customers capture real-time employee sentiment. And I'm delighted to share Workday announced recently our intent to acquire Vindley, who are an industry leader in cloud-based external workforce and vendor management. Going forward, we're developing a multi-cloud strategy, which includes our own existing data centers. This helps us avoid vendor lock-in with specific public cloud providers or technology limitations. And this also serves to give our customers choice, for example, to solve a data sovereignty requirement. Now, we understand that this is complex. It will also take some time, so please be patient with us. We're investing in cloud-agnostic design for our future and delivering a pipeline that's extensively automated. Workday is certainly not a cloud provider. Therefore, we need to leverage the investments being made by our public cloud partners. As such, we're using Docker and Kubernetes, container management, and developing our own infrastructure as code solutions to serve you better. At Workday, to remain agile, we believe that the customer, you, I hope, help us better the product. We have built a vibrant community for our customers to learn from each other. And this also makes sure that we are actively always listening. Our community ensures that we all get the most out of the Workday ecosystem. And this is becoming more and more important. We always try and listen and adapt to change as you do. We certainly remain focused to deliver for our customers. And we're very proud to publish that 97% of our customers are happy too. And this is a best-in-class measure of how we're doing as an organization. So what does all this mean in terms of scale? Let's give you some context. We're able to manage 55 million people 24/7 by 365 through Workday. Those people create 265 billion transactions a year. And this represents a 34% year-on-year growth in transaction volume. The targeted SLA for our customers is 99.7%. However, we achieve 99.97%. This certainly isn't easy, but we're incredibly proud of the team at Workday that makes this possible. And our scale and our service is second to none. The next section talks about how our approach to data analytics, AI, and ML is making a difference to our customers. Cloud is here to stay, and all organizations must embrace this at the core strategy, else they will miss the train. Another film analogy there for you. I hope you enjoy that. We've spoken a little bit about agility through architecture. For any cloud application, we can't avoid talking about data. However, I want to focus on the importance of having the right data at the right time for insights to spot trends and take action. Workday enables customers to combine people data, survey data, and external data in order to identify trends and track key metrics to support data-driven decision-making. We've built self-service analytics into the system so you can keep our most sensitive data where your permissions are set. We enrich your finance and people data with data from any source at any scale, and then help you visualize and distribute insights to anyone in your organization. This helps organizations plan and forecast in volatile conditions. And with Workday, our customers have been able to analyze countless data points from access an organization to support better decision-making and quickly stand up dashboards to inform leadership about issues in a timely manner. And we all know how important that is. So how do we do this? Spoke a little bit about our acquisition previously. So Prism enables our customers to bring internal data sources into the core of Workday to provide a 360-degree view. And all the data from different sources is automatically governed under Workday's security model. We covered that previously. This is a key factor in our agility by design. And speaking of the 360-degree view, as discussed, we're continuing to evolve. We delivered discovery boards in 2021 for our customers. These discovery boards use our innovative in-memory lens technology to support fast, interactive analysis presented dynamically to the end users. And since launch, we've achieved and received great feedback and demand for more. In summary, the data analytics in Workday is secure but flexible enough to be distributed to anyone at any time. The distribution of insights can be achieved in multiple ways, by discovery boards, reports, as a service, or through productivity tools such as Workday worksheets. We deliver single experience, whether you're working with HR, finance, or student data, or even augmenting data with an external source. So again, why does this approach we take matter for the modern enterprise? We believe there are three key benefits. With a central data core system of record, we can continuously collaborate. An enterprise can focus on insight where it matters the most. And because of the central core, we get the right data to the right people at the right time with speed to minimize risk and, importantly, maintain confidentiality. Now let's wrap up this session with a focus on how we enable innovation in our technology, which surfaces up through our applications. As we've discussed, we believe that innovation must be built into the core and applied through the lens of applications, supporting the operations of the business. It's this combination of innovation, domain knowledge, and rich data sets that enables machine learning and artificial intelligence to light up new business value in Workday. We're able to combine our algorithms with the right data and the knowledge driven by our customers to solve complex business problems. We give our customers access to timely insights and transaction detail to do deeper analysis. And Workday reduces the time it takes to perform the decision to action, keeping HR and financial teams in sync. This is critical during the times of uncertainty that we're in now. With real-time pulse on the business, companies can be confident that their decisions align to their business and at that moment, and for immediate value. The business data graph we build is a key foundation for our machine learning service for finance. This data graph allows our platform to operate at speed and present data dynamically to users live on demand. We've also built Skills Cloud, which is a similar machine learning foundation for our HR platform. It includes skills for learning, talent management, and career guidance. The Skill Cloud helps answer the following questions. What are the skills of my team? How can I drive data insights from the skills of my team? And what are the development opportunities? And how can I benchmark skills to drive insight into action at speed? All of this helps enterprise grow and retain talent. Speaking of innovation at the core, we also apply the same principle to our integrations. And with Workday, we've built an enterprise integration platform core into the Workday service. We offer a set of tools that enable IT and the business to integrate data and external systems to do simple ingestions or more integration logic. We deliver this without having to purchase or manage external integration software stack. It's part of our out-of-the-box capability. And again, this touches on one of the key 4 technology pillars we discussed at the beginning. That said, we also recognize customers do want to build new applications and experiences leveraging data held in Workday. And this is where Workday Extend comes in. Developers can rapidly build new experiences and do not have to worry about the underlying infrastructure, security, or durability of their applications. Instead, developers and customers inherit these core properties from the Workday platform directly. We take care of all of that for you. We call this extending in the right place. You can see here several types of applications that our customers and their development partners have built and put into production. We have over 200 customer extend applications available today. And these applications come with Workday ecosystem and marketplace, which is becoming a Workday customer. You get access to that information too. We've also integrated Workday with natural workspaces such as Slack and Microsoft Teams. As part of the integration, we've enabled features such as request time off, search for teammates, and approve tasks, and much, much more, without leaving collaboration systems where people work and spend their day. And we've added Workday Journeys, which supports curated journeys for the moments that matter, such as new staff onboarding, change of manager, leave of absence, and COVID return to work approvals. Finally, we've added a unified help system for HR case management for anyone seeking help immediately. No more disjointed tickets and broken service SLAs. All of this is designed to increase engagement and productivity for employees, people leaders, and decision makers. Here are some of those examples of pre-packaged integrations and connectors available to you through our ecosystem. And we've grouped these into themes so you can understand the demand that we are seeing for development. It may give you some ideas. We don't stop there. Workday can also be an endpoint for your integration middleware. Synchronous or asynchronous interfaces directly call Workday APIs. And event-based messages can be sent from Workday to middleware using our integration subscriptions. And we can also leverage configurable connectors to send and receive data. So let's wrap up our technology discussion with the end user experience. We continue to invest in our resilient cloud, but we want all our Workday customers to have a consistent user experience, anytime, any place, and on any device. We're very proud of the fact that we've reached over 600,000 mobile ratings for a mobile experience. We can't talk about IT or cloud without discussing the subject of sustainability. We all need to help save the green planet. Again, another fantastic Korean film I really enjoyed. I'm pleased to say that some of our sustainability targets have already been met. We hit 100% renewable energy for operations, offices, and data centers in 2017. We achieved net zero carbon emissions in 2020. And we're now focused on our commitment to maintain global warming to 1.5 degrees across our entire value chain. And this is clearly an ongoing initiative. I do hope you've enjoyed this rapid fire tour of Workday technology and how we as a cloud native company are fundamentally different by design. I hope you can see how our cloud architecture delivers agility, insight, and how our investments into continuous innovation create an engaging experience for our customers. At Workday, we designed all of this to ensure our customers are always ready for what's next. Are you ready for what's next? And remember, to stay alive, organizations today must embrace cloud services. Don't let your enterprise miss the train. Get on board and become agile. And we all need to help save the green planet. So move away from legacy on-premise technologies. It's great for sustainability. My name's Damien Leach. It's been a pleasure talking to you today. I welcome feedback, and I do hope we can connect on LinkedIn. Sang-Hoon Lee from Workday in our career office will be available for any discussions should you wish to reach out. Stay safe, everyone, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
우리는 최근 많은 변화를 겪고 있습니다. 비지니스를 운영하는 방식, 고객을 응대하는 방식, 직원과 상호작용하는 방식이 변화하고 있습니다. 또한 그 변화의 속도는 점점 빨라지고 있습니다. 워크데이는 변화에 적응하는 기술을 제공함으로써 고객이 변화를 준비할 수 있도록 지원하고 있습니다. 점점 더 많은 대기업들이 워크데이로 전환하고 있는 이유가 여기에 있습니다. 포춘 500대 기업의 48%가 전사 HR 시스템으로 워크데이를 선정하였으며 단 20%만이 경쟁사의 클라우드 솔루션을 선택하였습니다. 이제 고객들은 워크데이를 단순 벤더가 아닌 진정한 파트너로 인식하고 있습니다. 빠른 시스템 구축, 전담 지원팀, 활발한 사용자 커뮤니티가 현재와 미래의 성공을 보장하고 있습니다. 포춘 기업 리스트에서 상위에 랭크된 기업일수록 워크데이를 더 잘 이해하고 있습니다. 포춘 100대 기업들은 워크데이를 다른 어떤 경쟁사들보다 더 깊이 신뢰합니다. 상위 50대 기업의 70%가 워크데이 고객이라는 점이 그것을 증명하고 있습니다. 지금의 외부 환경은 매우 불확실하지만 한 가지만은 분명합니다. 워크데이가 HR과 재무 부문에서 업계를 리드하는 기업용 클라우드 솔루션이라는 것입니다. 포춘 500대 기업, 포춘 100대 기업이 선택한 워크데이. 동행하실 준비가 되셨습니까?